We're here at the infamous Storeton Woods. So much history here. I've never personally been here, but I thought I'd come down, set up camp. I don't know how yet. I've got my tent and my hammock. Got all this stuff on me. Got Reggie's stuff. Big Reggie's here with me. We've come down tonight to have a look what's going on after dark, feel it out, scout a place to stay. But the thing is, so busy. I've literally been here 5 minutes. I've been past 23 people, 23 dogs. Not even joking. We must have moved 20 yards, if that. Let's just see what the night brings. It's very, very peaceful when there's no one around. There's a little water station. So busy. I've just met a lovely couple who asked me was camping. So I had to say, yeah, but miles away from here. They're dead lovely. Had a new rescue dog from Spain. Reggie pestering them. It says Storeton Quarry Tramway. This stone was quarried at this site from Roman times until early this century, between 1838 and 1905. This stone was transported to Bromborough Pool via Storeton Tramway in 1840, and this plaque was done in November of 1995. So there's a lot of history here. There's a tramway. The remnants, so cool. Let Reggie choose which path we take. He fancies this one. Come on then. Come on then, old boy. I'm the one carrying all your stuff. Get up there. Oh, sleep tonight. Oh yeah. Which way are you gonna go? This way? He's opted for this way. Come on, you're in charge. Lead the way. I just decided since I'm doing all the heavy lifting, he can lead the way. He's doing alright. Don't know where he's gonna take us like, but there's another little sign here. Let's have a look what this says. Oh, hang on. What's this? Wow. Have a look at that. Homage to the Triassic period. Well, this is it. I think I've found the perfect spot. I'm out the way, I want to be a bit quiet. I'm going to make a brew, then I'm going to set up, leave my stuff here, go for a walk with Reggie, see what else we can find, and hopefully find our way back to our stuff. We just had a snack, get him a drink now, and then let him have a rest, get mooching, get going. But I'm happy with this. It's like a little animal trail. I'm hoping no foxes and rats and all the stuff that come in the middle of the night don't bother us, but it's just animals. Anyway, get this brew going. What do you want? Making a brew, nothing for you. Just gone past. Anyway, what I was going to say is the way I measure my brew. Get out. Go where? is. I'll pour the amount of water. Get out of there. I'll pour the amount of water I need for my brew into my cup first, and then I'll put that in. So I know exactly how much I need, so I'm not overboiling and wasting a load of water. Someone else going past now. I was just being loud. 2 people went past. 7 of them. From here. Just over there now. Finish this brew off. So there's another really strange part to the history of these woods. People have reported hearing soldiers marching through the woods, and even the sound of an old train passing through in the middle of the night, despite there not being a train running through here for many moons. What was that? I'm just praying I don't hear nothing in the middle of the night. Nothing better pass through here, no one better be marching past me. But there is some history to it. There was an old quarry mine, an old quarry railway track or something going through here many years ago, wartime use. There's something up there. Second. The early alarm systems, asleep in the tent, no use, no ornament. Yeah, so there's a history to the woods. It was used in the wartime for old quarry mines or an old railway quarry track or something. We've seen it on the thing down there, haven't we? Just nearly had a mild heart attack. A pterodactyl just flew behind me and screeched behind my earlobes. Jeez. Come on, should we go back in? Let's go to the tent, get in bed. Watch some YouTube. Come on. He's poorly, aren't you, mate? He's not well tonight. He can't settle. He's got the poops. What do we do, Reggie? We'll go to bed or we go home? He won't come inside the tent, he keeps getting back out. Well, carry these out. Leave no trace. Get him home. Poorly lad, aren't you? Let's get home.